Hello crafters, this is Shivani welcoming you in my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful contrast color quilling greeting card. This is very easy to make and it looks fabulous. So I will show you both the color designs. This is the inside look. So let's start with procedure. For this we need one peach and one dark blue color 3mm quilling strips, tweezer, quilling tool, liquid glue, scissor, any punch designer border, white color cardstock and any waste wedding card. Since I am using peach and blue wedding cards, so I am using peach and blue quilling strips. So first I am taking this white color cardstock which measures 30 cm by 21 cm and I have folded this in half. Now I am taking two strips of blue and peach which is having 2 cm width. These both strips I have cut from old invitation card. So I am adding these strips on left and right corners. Like this. After that I am taking blue color cardstock and I will attach on left side. On top of this I am taking this peach color card sheet and I cut this card sheet in S shape. So it's on you which shape you want to cut. Any designer pattern you can cut. So connect like this. So this is the base on which we will do quilling work. Now first I will show you how to make this small Malaysian flower petal. For this I am taking half strip of peach color. First make a loose coil. Pinch it. Take your quilling tool and just twist this petal. Like this. Now wrap this whole petal using peach color strip. Cut excess strip and secure the end. So petal is ready. In the same way I have created some peach and some blue color Malaysian flower petals. Now I will show you how to make these leaf shapes. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of peach color and making leaf shape. Just pinch from both the sides. In the same way I created some leaves with peach and some with blue. Now here I have created some tight coils. For tiny tight coil I am using 1/8 strip of peach color like this. For these big tight coils I have used 1/4 strip. For this I have used 1/6 strip. For these tight coils I have used 1/4 and for last one I have used half strip. Now I will show you how to cut the strip in equal parts. So when I say half strip, so you just need to fold the strip in half and cut from center. So you'll get half strip. When I say 1/4 strip, so you need to fold this again in half. So you will get 4 equal parts. So that is 1/4 strip. And when I say 1/3 strip, so you need to fold the strip in 3 equal parts like this. So this is 1/3 strip. And when you fold this in half, you will get 1/6 strip. So I'm sure you got very clear that how to cut strips in equal parts. Now here I have created some scrolls, so I will show you how to make scrolls. Here I am taking 8 1/6 strip of peach color and connecting all the strips from top. Now just take tweezer and I will roll this whole bunch in one direction. And just open this roll so you will get a beautiful scroll. Now secure all the ends using glue. So this is the scroll. In the same way I have created peach and blue scrolls using different length of strips. Now I am taking this piece of strip. On one side I have added peach, other side I have added blue shade and just folded this in S shape. So I will connect this S shape on top of this just to make a partition. Now first I will arrange all the scrolls according to the space. And after that I will connect these scrolls using liquid glue. So connect all the scrolls. It's done now. Now I am adding some Malaysian flower petals. After that I will add leaves. And then I will add tight coils. So connect all the tight coils one by one. So it's done. Isn't it looking beautiful? Similarly, I will start decorating the right side using blue color shapes. So first I am arranging all the scrolls like we did before. So I have connected all the scrolls using liquid glue. Now I will connect Malaysian flower petals, leaves and tight coils. So it's done. The right side is also ready. Now I am adding these designer punched border on left and right side to decorate it little more. Cut excess border or excess paper. So this is done. The beautiful designer card is ready. I have added one peach color cardstock inside this. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.